Today, I would like to explain the concept of price line, which can be also known as budget line. Price line or budget line. What is price line or budget line? Price line or budget line is a graphical representation of all possible combinations of two goods which can be purchased by the consumer with a given income and prices. The income of the consumer and the prices of goods that decides the combination of two goods that the consumer purchases in the market. So, the graphical representation of all possible combinations of two commodities X and Y. So, the budget line represents the possible combination of two goods which can be purchased by the consumer with a given income and prices. So, budget line represents the income levels as well as price levels of goods X and Y. Assuming that the income of the consumer is rupees 2000, the price of X is 200, Y is 400. Then, if the consumer wants to purchase only X, he can purchase 10 commodities at the price of 200. 200 into 10, 2000 rupees. If he wants to purchase only Y, he will get 5 commodities because the price of Y is 400. 400 into 5 is equal to 2000. So, based upon the income levels of the consumer, he can purchase different combinations of X and Y. If he wants to purchase 2X, he will get 4Y. 4X, he will get 3Y. 6X, he will get 2Y. 8X, he will get only 2Y. If 8X, 1Y, and 10, 0Y. So, depend upon the level of income and prices of X and Y, there is a possibilities of combination of two goods that are purchased by the consumer, which can be represented by the curve, that is by the line, budget line. In this diagram, on OX axis we take the goods X and OY axis we measure goods Y. A, B are the, when we connect the points A and B, that is the budget line. AB, budget line. It representing the various alternative purchases of X and Y. Depends upon the data given in the table, we can draw the budget line. It is the slope of the budget line denotes the relative price ratios of X and Y. So, budget line is equal price X by price Y. So, budget line is the line of income and prices. Prices of goods X and Y, income of the consumer. So, the purchasing combination of a consumer depends upon his level of income and prices of X and Y. That is the price line.